to eat if you have SIBO. This episode is another one of SIBO diet, a delicious soup recipe to help you kill off SIBO and support your body to heal naturally. My name is Peggy from PeggyShermo.com. Welcome to Gut Feelings, the channel to support you to become your own health expert so you have all the energy you need to manifest your dreams in the world and support others with your expert knowledge. This episode is about SIBO diet and what you can eat if you suffer from SIBO. Oh, this is a hard one. There's a lot of confusion around SIBO and what to eat and what not to eat. In this video, I'd love to give you some inspiration, very practical advice, what you can eat and how you can make a delicious healing soup out of that. Super simple, and it's going to be raw. Before we dive right into what is in the soup and how to make it, the most important step with SIBO is first to understand what's happening there in your body if you've got diagnosed with SIBO or you think you might have SIBO. Because there's an underlying cause for SIBO, and I give you a tip, it's not just some kind of bacteria overgrowing in your small intestine. There's much more to that. I'm going to link a video right now where I talk about in detail, in depth, about the real cause of SIBO. The second thing, before we talk about anything that you should eat on the SIBO diet, it's important to know that there are certain foods that we're consuming on a daily basis that are feeding these kind of bacteria. So you can eat all the celery and all the good things in the world. If you keep on eating the bad foods, you're not going to heal SIBO because you feed the pathogen, you feed the bacteria, and it's going to cause more and more problems. And again, because this is another subject, it's a big one as well, I also recorded another video about that, what to avoid to eat. Make sure you're going to do these two steps before we look into what foods to eat and how to heal SIBO, because they are essential. First, understanding what SIBO really is, getting away with the confusion, and the second one, avoiding the foods that feed bacteria and the pathogen. And then step number 3, eating foods that help heal your body, that strengthen your body, that strengthen your immune system, that kill off viruses and bacteria, because they are out there. Their nature is really providing you everything you need to heal. So let's dive right into it. My favorite soup recipe. And by the way, this is not just awesome for SIBO, it's also awesome for all kinds of autoimmune diseases. If you want to get fitter, if you want to have more energy. So in any case, you're going to do your body a favor. So there are 3 ingredients in the soup, and then there's one additional one which you can add if you like to. First ingredient, spinach. We're going to need 2 handfuls of spinach. And I tell you exactly why this is awesome for your body, especially if you suffer from SIBO. You see the spinach stem here? In this stem, as small as it looks, there are mineral salts that not only help to kill the bacteria, they kill the bacteria themselves. Same with second ingredient, celery. We're going to need 2 celery sticks. Yeah, we can put them together. 2 celery sticks, and same with celery. In the celery are mineral salts and lots of other healthy components that help to rebuild your stomach acid, which is a key factor when suffering with SIBO. And they also, literally, they make bacteria explode. That's something that is not known by Western medicine. It's also not known by most health practitioners, and this wisdom is just drip feeding into the collective now. So if you want to be a pioneer, eat celery. There's no better healing food for SIBO than celery. Okay, 2 celery sticks we need, and then we need 1 tomato, 1 big tomato. Yeah, look at this red, awesome tomato. Or if you have small tomatoes, then you need 2. Yeah, and here again, mineral salts. There's also a lot of vitamins because it's actually a fruit. And wherever there are vitamins, there are also antioxidants. Awesome to killing off SIBO. And then this is additional. I know suffering from SIBO, digestive tract is very sensitive. So if you can handle that, using 1 clove of garlic in the soup would be great. But if you can't handle that at the moment, just go for what you can do. Even if you can't do tomatoes for now, you can also just combine spinach with the celery. However, these 2 are the best for you. You need to eat them raw because then they have all the enzymes and then they actually have the properties to kill the bacteria. Now, if you have a very sensitive digestion and your SIBO is already happening for a long time, you might feel detox symptoms when you have the raw soup. But no, this is not because you can't digest the food, it's because your body takes every opportunity to get rid of the toxins. And these detoxing symptoms, they might be uncomfortable, but they're a sign that you're on the right track and that you're healing. There's nothing more healing than spinach and celery for SIBO. So what you do, it's super easy. It's like a 5-minute thing. You can have that for lunch. So basically we're just gonna chop up all the ingredients. They all go in here. You don't need any water because we have the tomatoes. They have a lot of water. Also celery contains quite some water. Everything in here, blend it, and then it's ready to go. I'm gonna make that for you and I'll see you in a second. And guys, if you don't have a blender yet and you're looking for a low-cost blender which is just awesome, does ice, does everything, I'm gonna go for Breville. I'm gonna put you Breville Active. I have that thing since over 4 years. I use that several times per day, doing ice, everything with it. It's an awesome thing, low cost. I put you a link down below if you want to check that out. Great blender, very solid. This is it. I didn't put any salt, any pepper, anything in there. You're gonna taste that. It's gonna be awesome. The taste, it tastes salty. It has everything you need. It's very filling as well. Light on the digestion. Just the best soup ever. Try to include tomatoes if you can, because they give a bit more flavor, and they also have the vitamins, vitamin C especially, so many other health benefits. Even if it's just a tiny piece, just keep on experimenting and know whenever you feel symptoms after you ate these kind of foods that I recommend to you, it's not because you can't digest them, it's because your body's detoxing and you slowly adjust to more and more raw food and to more and more vegetables that are healing for your intestinal lining. Oh my god, guys, I love this soup. I don't have SIBO, but I love this soup. I can eat that every day. And it's everything, salt, taste, texture, just perfect. Guys, thank you for watching. If you like this video, I'm happy if you give me a thumbs up. That gives me a feedback. And also your comments are valuable to me. Let me know if you have questions or if you have any inspirations you'd like to share. If you want to be updated about the newest videos, just click the little subscribe button, the logo from Gut Feelings, and we can stay in touch through YouTube. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.